What's going on, guys? Liquid Max here. Today I'm going to talk about how I, in 30 days, took my account and 43x'd it. Sounds crazy, but truthfully, it wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. Let me just make sure the audio is working real quick. Let me see. I think it is. So anyway, yeah, it is. So anyway, right here you can see 43,142%. People might say, how the hell did you do that? That's crazy, you know? And honestly, it is pretty crazy. I'm not going to lie. It took me time. It took a lot of dedication. It took, I don't want to say luck because I've done it before. I did actually more than that in 30 days once. But it took a lot of just patience and just being extremely confident on where I believed the market was going. This number, like it wasn't easy. I started with I think it was $1,000, and in a 30-day period, made 43,000. Not an insane gain, but like, it's compounding. And compounding is like, very important thing when it comes to trading. That's how you can really maximize your profits. Basically, though, I just want to touch base and kind of explain like how this happened, where I think it's headed, like where I think I can go, how much I can get, the problems that I've run into once I hit a certain amount of money, like and a whole bunch of other things. So first off, this is on the OKX exchange. This is the exchange right here. I have a link below in the description box. You can sign up if you'd like with my link. It's going to give you fee rebates and they give away like free crypto sometimes to like certain accounts. I've heard of a few people getting like maybe I think it was like $100. Somebody signed up with my link and they got like 100. Another person got a few hundred. Some people got like $3. Like it just varies. But like regardless, if you sign up with my affiliate link, you're gonna get some type of money. Like the worst you'll get is like $1. So I suggest you do that. And I did this all by trading with super high leverage, like 75x leverage on cross. Now, I wouldn't recommend this to every trader because this is like my trading style and technique. Like some people just have a way that they learned how to trade and they just were able to master that specific way. And I just am looking at this how the comments. So 43 extra count, 39 days. That's insane. Please explain it. How can I do this? Do you have a Signals group? Uh, so the Crypto Insider. Yeah, I do have a Signals group. I'll get to that later. But like I said, if you want to join my Telegram, the link's in the description box. Feel free to. And then I'll just see you in there and you can private message me. My name on Telegram is Liquid Max. But I want to touch base with like kind of how this happened and where it all started. So I'll pull up my Telegram right here. You can see. So it's 524. Let's click this one. 524. So comparing the two, you can see at 530. So this one went all the way out to 622. So you can see this was the 28 days actually. It wasn't even 30. So in 28 days, I got 43,000% profit on $1,000 account. I wish they'd share the dollar value amount too, but it doesn't work like that. So basically, you can see I started on 524, May 24th. Pretty rapidly grew. I was at 4,000% within like I think it was a day or two, and it all came down to this swing trading, high leverage, like really high leverage, 75x. On OKX, you can trade with up to 75x leverage. Don't ever trade 75x on isolated. Use cross. The difference between that is this: isolated is going to give you a liquidation price that's like with 75x extremely close. I'm talking like like less than it probably 1/4% move would liquidate you. With cross, let's say you put $1,000 in your account, you open up a trade starting off with $200. Your liquidation with cross on 75x is going to be like at least 5, 6, 7%. You know, somebody might ask me, well, what if it drops that much? So I have like a real strict way of trading. So how I trade is I get in the trade, and you know, if the trade starts to go south for me, I'll get out quick. Like, but a lot of these moves that I was taking profit in, like this one right here, this coin's gonna break out right now. Watch this. It's likely gonna break out right now. I'm not in a trade. This account has no money in it right now. I keep all my money stored off exchanges because there's been a lot of rumors about like exchanges just like, you know, taking people's money and stuff. So I'm not running the risk of that right now. But it was just all like really high leverage swing trades at a fast pace. I take 20 trades in a day, you know, I'd probably get about 15 to 18 of them right. The other like 2 to 5 I get wrong, you know, but I take my loss really quick. So, you know, get up to $1,000 in a trade. I'd cut my loss at $100, no more than that. Like that's how that works. Like, and then what happens is as your account gets bigger and bigger and bigger, you know, like so. I've grown an account actually higher up. I'll show you. So let me right here. So actually, in a 3-month period, I got up to 650,000% just about, and that's something I've never seen happen before with anybody I've ever known to trade. I'm sure it has happened, but this was a span from like basically, you know, the beginning of March till the end of May. And then what I did is I just closed that account down. I haven't traded in it since. I just wanted to leave it like that. Now, one thing I will say is there are certain coins on OKX that you can put a decent amount of money in. And I mean, when I say decent, I'm talking thousands of dollars on 75x. The coins that you can do that are going to be like TRX would be one. Ethereum, Matic, you can put a few. Matic, you put about 500. I think you can put actually 1,200 in this. There's some coins though also that you can trade like with on 75x. You can't even put a lot in it all. I mean, you can put like $2 in. So it really comes down to like the market cap of the coin. So like all these coins right here, besides Luna, like Shiba, you can put in quite a bit on 75x. Luna, you can. They don't allow you to put more than maybe $50. So I don't really try to trade that coin a lot. But like Shiba, Doge, DOT, LTC, ETH, BTC, those coins right there, you can put in excess of $1,000 on 75x. Matic, you can put a lot in. I'm trying to figure out some other ones in case other people are interested in this. Let's see here. Trying to think. Those were like basically the main coins I traded. Like now, if you were to drop your leverage down to 50x, so like let's say you go to 50x, and I still personally would keep it on cross. You're gonna be able to like keep your position size is gonna be able to like increase quite drastically. But you know that's something that I'd also do. I trade 75x and 50x, and probably no less than that ever. Sometimes, like once I started to get up to 20,000 that account, I started to do 20x leverage. But the problem is it's gonna it takes a while. Like once you know the less money you're trading with, the easier it is to like make money quick. You know, P&L wise, the more money you're trading with, the longer it's gonna take. You know, that's why when I got to 650 or 648,000% in a 3-month period, it, you know, that's kind of where I capped it out. Like I put $1,000 in that account, got it up to 6.5 million, just about 6.3 million, something like that. And basically, I started to have a little bit of trouble with like the position sizes because like I was so used to trading with high leverage that I didn't like. It was just different, like you know, and leverage is irrelevant ultimately, but I mean, when you're used to like just entering a trade and exiting a trade in a matter of like maybe a few minutes, like I mean, I can show you so many screenshots of like me catching trades for hundreds of percent, like Luna, bunch on Luna. like a bunch on Luna. That was when Luna was dropping, I think. Or actually, no, it was actually when it hit the floor and they did their airdrop. YFI was another really good signal. Um, I did actually 3,000% on that. You know, you can see definitely the gains match up. Here's one that I did actually. So the month earlier, I actually did even more. I did almost 100,000% PNL. So I almost 100x my account in about 30 days. Trying to see what else there is. 12,000% in about 6 days. Not bad. Trying to find something right now though. Hold on one second. Then I'm going to go over some analysis too. So right here, you can see I had an ETH short on 50x, made 33,000, put 40,000 in. I was up 50. I was up 80%. And then on a Doge, actually that was a long position. Whoops. And then on a Doge position too. There's 18,000% in 5 days. I have a bunch of these. Like, I mean, I just, you know, that's the way I learned how to trade. See, I got in trading. How I did that was I got into trading. I just used to work a normal job. You know, I don't have a financial background really. I do now, but at the time when I first started, I did not. I got into trading and I saved about $15,000, lost almost all of it. Um, you know, and that's an expense kind of that you just charge to trading. Like it's always expected kind of. I haven't really ever heard of anybody ever doing good trading instantly. That's why I always tell, ooh, that's a nice game. But 71,000 was up $164,000. Not bad. What leverage was that? 40x. Yeah, there we go. I'm looking for something though, and I don't know if I might have passed it or not. But basically, like, long story short is, you know, if you want to like learn how to trade like successfully, there's two different, like, there's a couple different trading styles you could like follow. You could follow like a swing trader where you're gonna be in a trade for like a longer duration of time. You could follow like a scalper's mentality, more like mine, where I just enter these trades and I get out quick. Like, you know, I don't try to stay ever in trades overnight, like, because anything can happen in the market. And I've learned from experience that it's easy to get wrecked if you just aren't focused on what you're doing. Like, and I personally, like, if I'm in a trade, I'm watching the trade the whole time. I don't really step away from it. I just watch it until I close that trade in a profit. Um, I wanted to share another thing with you guys real quick. So I've been seeing all these people now, you know, they weren't really sure what was going to happen with Bitcoin. I called this pennant way back. I'll show you guys when. So I called this pennant back on June 30th. And now all these Telegram groups are saying there's a pennant formed, bearish pennant. You know, and I called this pennant like June or July. I don't think it was July 1st. I guess it was July 1st. But still, I called it actually prior to that because if you look at this, check this out. I said, is Bitcoin creating a bearish pennant? That was June 28th. Now let's hit the play button and see how this kind of transpired in front of us. So you can see, it's kind of following it, pretty similar, and exactly what I thought. It's gonna be about a 28-day gap. So I'm thinking July 13th we drop. But it could be spaced out more. I'm not sure. It's hard to say right now with Bitcoin because just the whole market's just been in like a weird position just overall. There's that API coin. What's going on? There's a coin. Here's a pretty fucking just free, easy signal to enter too. This coin right here likely goes up. How high? Probably to about $3, or at least to this wick at about 298. Let's see what else. I'm not going to make this video too long. I just kind of wanted to share that. And I'm going to make another video, though, in a minute, probably just regarding just Bitcoin alone. I just feel like a lot of people are kind of clueless on the direction of Bitcoin, and I feel like my videos, like that I'm going to start making on YouTube, might help them out. So if you guys are watching this, or if you do watch this, please follow me, subscribe, like the video, leave a comment below on what you think. Join my Telegram group. There's a lot of great knowledge in there. Like, let's go to my Telegram group real quick. This is kind of just an introductory of me. This is my Telegram group right here. Liquid Max Trade Zone. This is the type of stuff that I share. So, brief analysis on Bitcoin. I also run a premium group, but I'm not really going to advertise that on these YouTube videos. But just know if you're interested, you can message me on Telegram about that. So that's what I shared about Bitcoin. It's a bear's pennant. 100, almost 200 views on that with the channel with only 200 people. Not bad. Yeah, make sure though, the link's in below. And I think that's all I'm going to really share for today as far as for this video. I'm going to make another video regarding like an altcoin or something. Probably BAT, because I think BAT, Basic Attention Token, is about to have a pretty large breakout here very soon. And I want to share that insight. So I'm going to end this video right now, guys. I appreciate it. Like I said, please subscribe. You can also follow me on TradingView. I have an account on TradingView. I'll show you that really quick. Here's my account on TradingView. Here's that. It's my account on TradingView. Make sure to follow me there, Liquid Max. And that's going to do it for today. If you want, feel free to message me in the Telegram if you have any questions about trading in general or just anything really about that. Or if you're interested in like my premium group or, just whatever. So I'll see you guys again soon. I'm going to make another one in a little bit. You guys have a great day.